Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KEPEAK wireless doorbell camera without Wi-Fi, video doorbell with monitor. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. No Wi-Fi or subscription fees. This doorbell camera uses a 2.4G module connection, eliminating the need for Wi-Fi, apps, or subscription fees, saving you extra expenses. It also includes a 4.3-inch IPS screen display, freeing you from smartphone limitations and making it easy for seniors and children to use. Night vision and two-way intercom. Our doorbell camera's wireless ensures clear visibility of visitors day or night. Its auto-switching feature delivers exceptional visuals in any lighting condition. Engage in two-way video conversations with visitors while viewing them on the display, all while keeping your home's interior private for enhanced security. Low power consumption and loop recording. The camera doorbell charges fully in just 2 hours, with ultra-low power consumption enabling 2 to 3 months of use. Note: to ensure stable operation of the monitor, please connect it to a power source during use. The video doorbell supports up to 128 GB memory expansion. It automatically captures photos and records video when the doorbell is rung, requires memory card insertion. When storage space is insufficient, it automatically overwrites older footage to preserve the latest images, ensuring enhanced security and reliability. Long-range transmission and operating environment. The wireless doorbell and monitor achieve a maximum transmission distance of 100 meters in unobstructed conditions, with a robust signal ensuring rapid response. The video doorbell operates within a temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius and humidity levels of 10 to 90%. Avoid prolonged exposure to humid environments. Easy installation. Both the monitor and doorbell unit install effortlessly without wiring. To avoid drilling holes, use the included adhesive pads for a quick installation in seconds. The monitor features a built-in stand for wall mounting or desktop placement. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.